My beloved Ndigbo, gather around though. Something is trending online, and it's nothing but dirty attention-seeking stunts. There is a rumor flying everywhere that Ohanaeze Ndigbo supposedly said no Igbo man should challenge President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in the 2027 election.
Ohanaeze Ndigbo has announced that no Igbo man will contest for the presidency in 2027 against the incumbent President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The group says that the possibility of the Southeast producing the president of Nigeria can only be achieved in 2035, not 2027. In a statement signed by the Deputy President General of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo faction, Okechukwu Isiguzoro, and the national spokesman, Thompson Ohia, they revealed that the decision was taken at a crucial meeting with Southeast political leaders in which they resolved that no Igbo man will contest presidency in 2027, signaling the rejection of a one-term bid. They insist that the most practicable political vehicle for the pursuit of the Igbo presidency lies within the All Progressives Congress in 2035 if the zoning formula is altered, saying that among notable Igbo sons, the Minister of Works, Senator David Umahi, stands out as the most outstanding candidate to lead the country.
Let me say this loud and clear. That story is a lie from the pit of mischief. First, Ohanese's secretariat is at number 7 Park Avenue, GRA, Enugu, and not Abakaliki. The leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, under its current president, Senator John Azoka Ambata, and his deputy, Prince Okenwa Dinobi, never made such a ridiculous statement and will never do such a thing. Ohanaeze remains focused on unity and progress, not political gimmicks. So where is this coming from? It is none other than Okechukwu Isiguzoro. Yes, the same name that keeps popping up whenever there is controversy in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Isiguzoro was once a national youth leader of Ohanaeze Ndigbo 12 years ago. Ever since his tenure ended, Isiguzoro never moved on. He has mischievously transformed himself as a loud microphone for confusion. This man has made it his career to misrepresent, mislead, and tarnish the name of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. For reasons best known to his pocket, he has decided to be a willing tool in the hands of those who don't mean well for the Igbo people. Can you imagine? Selling out his own people just to get crumbs from the tables of enemies. These statements released by Isiguzoro is not just a careless talk. It is a deliberate attempt to cause confusion amongst the Igbos and weaken their political strength ahead of 2027. But here is the thing. Ndigbo are now wise. We cannot allow one man's desperate relevance for hunger to divide or distract us. Ohanaeze is not partisan, and he does not decide for Ndigbo who to vote or who to support. So my people, jettison that fake news. Treat it like a noise from a toothless bulldog. Don't give Isiguzoro the attention he craves. Our focus must remain on unity, strategy, and strengthening Igbo voices wherever we are. Ohanaeze does not play politics with the destiny of our people. It remains non-partisan, focused on unity, growth, and the preservation of Igbo dignity everywhere. Isiguzoro's antics are nothing but a desperate attempt to stay relevant, using lies to create chaos. But our people are wiser than that. The message is simple. Ignore him. Disregard the lies. Ohanaeze will speak for itself. And trust me, when it does, you will hear it loud and clear. And it will not come from the mouth of an imposter. Namaste.